all those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Bella and I do a lot of different things on this channel. For all of my loyal subscribers and watchers, what's up? Today I'm actually washing my hair. I'm not washing it because the hair necessarily is like super oily or anything. I'm just washing it because my scalp necessarily is super dry. I have like really a dry scalp, so I have to always keep it clean. And if I don't wash this scalp under this hair, I'll probably scratch my head so bad and probably take this closure off the top of my head. And yeah, we don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna walk y'all through this process with me. I am going to wash my hair, not on camera because it's always weird when people do that. I'll tell y'all how I wash it. But the products that I use the OGX or Organics shampoo and conditioner. This is the conditioner that I use. I love their brand because it's sulfate free and I think it's paraben free as well. I know those things usually strip your hair and it's not good for your hair, so we try to stay away from those. This is the conditioner, this is the shampoo, and it is the hydrating for my dry scalp tea tree mint shampoo and conditioner. And I really just like it because it smells like mint and it says hydrating, and I know my scalp is dry, so that's why I use it. I also use I use like all their products, but I also use their flat iron spray, their heat protectant, and this is the ever straightening Brazilian keratin therapy. And lastly, I'm actually trying this for the first time. It's I don't know if y'all can see this. I don't know how to do that whole thing where y'all can see it. I don't know, but I'll read it to y'all. It is Shea Moisture Jojoba. I thought it was jojoba, and it's not. So jojoba oil, and I'm probably gonna pronounce this wrong too, ukuba butter or yukuba or akuba, I don't know, but it's UCUUBA butter, track tension and itch relief serum with carrot seed oil, and it says calm and comfort cornrows, box braids, weaves, and extensions for protective styles, sulfate free and color safe. And this is 1.9 ounces, so it's travel safe too. I actually got this from TJ Maxx. This is, I don't know if all of them have this thing on it. I will hope so. But, you know, people take stuff off stuff all the time. But this is the wrap that it comes in. Like this. Take it off and it looks like this. So you can probably see either one of them. And this says the exact same thing except for bigger. And I got it from TJ Maxx for $4.99. I don't know the original price of it if you get it from anywhere else. But I'll look it up and I'll put it either here or like on the screen or in the description box, like if you were to buy it from like a Target or like a drugstore or something. Yeah, I'll tell you how much that is. So yeah, let's get into the video, or whichever way it slides. Okay, when you first start, you are going to want to make sure that your hair is completely detangled. So I just go section, well, not like super section. I just go section by section. You're supposed to start at the bottom and work your way up. Whoop. And work your way up. Bottom. Work your way up. Now it is completely detangled. So this is the natural pattern of this hair. It's like really loose waves. First thing I'm gonna do is take this, and it's the jojoba oil track tension and itch relief serum that I showed y'all earlier. And you just take it, it has a little dropper. And then you just, like, wherever your hair is like the itchiest, that's where you put it. Mine is really the itchiest, like at the top. So I put like a little drop, let it get up in there, and then a little over here. Okay, now I'm gonna take my OGX Lavender Luminescent Platinum Hydrate and Color Reviving Penetrating Oil with UVA UVB sun filters. So I just take a little bit, put it on my fingertips. Go up in there and get that scalp. Now we can get to straightening. So I'm just gonna part the bottom part. Section the top off. Brush the bottom from the bottom to the top. Heat protectant. And I just split it again just because that's just how I am. Start at the top, down. And yeah, I do use a comb when I straighten my hair, but this section is like so thin, I don't really need. Let's see if I actually need it. Okay, yeah. So I'll use it. Put in both sections together. And then take my comb, put it right at the top. And then I just follow it straight down. All right. Do the same thing to this side. And then one pass. And I only do this because I want to make sure that my hair is straight. Straight. Usually if I'm just like straightening it in order to curl it, I wouldn't section it into the two sections and then put it together. I would just take the comb, pass it through. But since I'm actually going to wear my hair straight, I want to get it as straight as possible. Okay. 95% of my hair done. So let's go through the top part together. So just take it. I literally just part it on the track. Separate it. Clip. I already put heat protectant on it. Next. Don't this closure look like a little scalp? Okay, little scalp. And it's pretty good. Yeah. That's it. If y'all have any questions, just let me know, and I'll put the description to this hair and my hair review in the description box. What else? I would say I put all the products that I used, but I may not. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.